Imagine you and another person apply for the same job. Same skills, same experience, but they have a job right now and you have just got laid off. Who do you think the recruiter will choose? Who? Think about it. Why? Because most people say that one with the job. But guess what? That is not always true. In fact, many laid off candidates get hired faster than employed ones if they follow the right steps. And today I will tell you exactly how to do this. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe right now. And number two is why I'm recording all this, because recently I've come across this question from one of my client and I thought I should record a video on this. Okay, now let us understand the biggest layoff myth and the truth also. Now the myth is that if you are laid off, it means that you were not good enough. Okay, and the truth is that companies lay off people for many reasons, like budget cuts, merger हो रहा है, strategy बदल रही है, restructuring हो रही है. It's not about your talent, my dear. Okay. Up, Let me give you some examples here. Last year, companies like Google, Amazon, they fired many many employees of theirs, right? Even the top performers. So now, do think about those people. Think about those employees. Did these people suddenly become a bad employee? No, it was just a business decision, my dear. Okay. So now I want to tell you that hiring managers know this all layoff and how India is progressing and the startups and everything. They know about this industry. Okay. Now they care about your skills, not just whether you have a job right now. Okay. Number two is what recruiters really care about. What do they look for? So they look for, can you solve the problem? Simple. What employer is looking for? What you bring to the table? Do you have that right skills? Do you have that strength? Are you proactive? Okay, let me again give you some example here. One of my clients, she got laid off and she spent 2 months learning a new skill related to her niche. And when she applied for jobs, recruiters loved the way she stayed active and she got hired faster than many other candidates, many employed candidates. Okay. Now, what I would suggest you is that don't wait. When you have this gap, use this time to learn, to effectively network, to show your value. Now, why I say that do networking? Because networking are like sowing seeds. So, if you sow seeds today, that might reap sometime in future. You don't know when it become a tree or when it matures, right? So, network during that time and show your value. Number third thing is how to answer this question when it is asked, why were you laid off in an interview? Okay. Many people say this like this, oh, I lost my job because of layoff. Okay. While I will tell you that what is the right way to say it. Okay. Now, my role was affected due to restructuring or merger, but I used that time to upskill myself, take on new projects, and I am now even better at X skill, and I'm excited to bring this value to your team. Okay. So, let me also give you an example here. Now, one of my clients, she said this and got the job in around 4 5 weeks with a higher salary. Now, action step is write your answer on a paper, practice it so that you build that confidence. Confidence comes up with little actions taken every day. Okay. Let me tell you the fourth thing, how to make your resume and your LinkedIn 10x stronger even after a layoff. Okay. So don't leave a gap. Don't leave a gap. Instead of that, add the freelance projects, maybe pro bono projects, even if you are unpaid, that pro bono projects. And you can add the certifications or the courses, and you can add the volunteer work. You can also add that NGO work, whatsoever. Write it. Okay. And about LinkedIn, I will say that people generally write in their headline open to work. But the right way to do that is you can write your expertise, then a vertical bar, and then your keywords, and then a vertical bar, and then write X company name. And also, last vertical bar telling what metrics do you work on for a company. Okay. Why? Why doing this? Recruiters, they search for skills, not open to work. They are looking for what you bring to the table. Okay. So update your LinkedIn with the right kind of skills, with the right kind of keywords, not just open to work. Okay. Fifth thing which I wanted to tell you is that the best job search strategy after a layoff. So what people do is they apply to 100 plus of jobs randomly. Okay. And when they don't get interview calls after applying to so many bunch of jobs, they really get demotivated. Okay. And instead of that, go for the right way. Apply strategically, focus on your top skills, and apply to only to your dream companies and selected bunch of companies which you can work on. Okay. And then networking with the hiring managers, with the recruiters, send them personal messages. Don't just beg for a job. Okay. Just connect with them genuinely. Okay. Then, very important, post on LinkedIn. Tell your story, let people know what your challenges were. People connect with personal stories. Okay. Now, I will again give you an example here. There was a job seeker whom I coached, and she posted about her layoff, shared her skills, and she shared all her challenges. That too, genuinely, no bluffing and no fluffing there. And you know what? She got so much impressions, people connected with her. Instead of just asking for a job over that post, she really got 5 job offers in just 2 weeks by not just posting her this emotional story, but yes, connecting with the right kind of people. Okay. So make a simple LinkedIn post today. Say about your genuineness, about the challenges, okay, the personal story, okay, and how you add value, what you bring to the table. Now, the final message to my listeners. Okay. Listen, guys. If getting laid off does not mean that it is end of your career, it is just a new chapter of your life. What matters is what you do next and how you do this strategically. Okay. Remember that layoffs don't define you, or the career gaps don't define you. Your actions do. Recruiters, they care about your skills, not just about your job status. Okay. So stay active, learn, network, show your value, and that's it. And also take action. Update your LinkedIn, practice your interview answers, and reach out to the connections. Okay. If you need help in landing a job after a layoff, join my free webinar where I tell you all the strategies. Click the link in the description or DM me layoff strategy, and I will send you the e-guide. Okay, so your layoff doesn't define you, how you react does. So stay strong, stay resilient, stay smart, and let's get you hired. Let's get you hired. And thank you for this, for watching this till the end. Thank you.